Hello students, I am Anita and I am your biology teacher. Today I am going to teach your new chapter, that is allergy, and that is chapter 6. First of all, what is allergy? What is the definition of allergy? It is a medical condition that is non-communicable. First of all, what non-communicable means? Means that this allergy doesn't spread one from another. So it is a non-communicable medical condition. What is the reason or cause of this allergy? Our body's unusual reaction. When our body come in contact with an allergen, our body show an unusual reaction. Now, the term is allergens. Allergens are the substances that cause allergy, like pollens, fur, smoke, mold, dust, egg, etc. What are the symptoms of this allergy? Allergy symptoms are continuous sneezing, itching or rashes, diarrhea, runny nose, etc. This allergy it can be inherited. Inherited means you inherit from your parents or develop in the life after birth. Now the types of allergen. There are 4 types of allergens: airborne allergen, food and medicine, contact allergens, and other allergens. Now the first one is airborne allergens. Airborne allergens are pollens, spores of molds, pet dander, deodorants, perfumes, fumes from chemicals, household dust, and sometimes this household dust contain dust mites, which are very tiny and we can't see with our eyes. And where these dust mites are present, these present in bedding material, soft toys, cushions, etc. All the time these are harmless, but sometimes their saliva and particles from exoskeleton cause allergic reactions. For example, in cockroaches. How they enter in our body through eyes or nose. And what are the symptoms of these airborne allergens? Red, itchy, watery or swollen eyes, runny nose, sneezing, itchy throat, and coughing. The next one is food and medicines. So the food items which cause allergies, like milk, milk products, egg, soya nuts, fish, shellfish. And the medicines like penicillin, aspirin, painkillers, and other antibiotics. What are the symptoms? Symptoms are itching sensation in mouth, stomach ache, vomiting, diarrhea, rashes or hives, watery swollen eyes, congestion, and wheezing. Wheezing means a whistling sound comes in your body when you breathe. Severe, it also may be severe. The symptoms when this allergy that becomes severe: swelling of tongue, throat and face, coughing, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. There is another term, that is anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is the process of fainting due to sudden drop in blood pressure and which cause death or heart attack. The next one is contact allergens. It causes reaction when coming in contact with eyes, nose or mouth skin. This contact allergens gives its hint from its name. Contact means when it come in contact with eyes, nose or mouth skin. Example: products from rubber like gloves, erasers, balloons and rubber bands. Metals: cloth, wool, detergents, soaps, household cleanliness, cosmetics. And what are the symptoms of these contact allergens? Itching, burning sensation, redness of skin, rashes, blisters, swelling in some parts. Last one is other allergens. The other allergens are bees, wasps, hornets, venom. Venom means toxic substances that are secreted by these bees, wasps or hornets. And the symptoms are painful swelling, redness, itching or burning sensation. And in some people's, maybe rashes, hive, blisters, difficulty in breathing, speaking, nausea, and other symptoms of anaphylaxis. Other allergens, for example, when some bee bite you, then some type of red rashes or some swelling that occur at the place of bite. So that is the allergy, that is the unusual reaction of your body against that allergen. There is another allergen, that is sunlight. Some people when come in the strong sunlight, then they found itchy, red rashes or blister. That is also a allergy. So this is all about the types of allergy. Thank you.